Here's Barrel Monkeys Shiraz 2013. This comes from the Redheads studio. This is the one we've enjoyed in the past. You know, the Barrel Monkeys were the guys working in the cellar, doing all the grunt work. And some of them got bigger jobs at the big wineries. Then they wanted to work with small lots, right? Make something real, they could really kind of focus on, hands-on. So that's where the Redhead Studios came in. They got together, they started shopping around these lots of fruit that were out there. You know, in every vintage they're shopping from different growers because they want to try to find what's best for that particular vintage. And they put together a small lot of wine. This one is always really solid and a great buy. McLaren, Vale, Shiraz. So 2013, they looked for fruit from the cooler coastal vineyards. It gets nice balance, nice flavors in these grapes. They age for 14 months in a combination of French and American. They use some of the bigger hogshead barrels, but they also use a little bit of new oak. So they're really kind of crafting something unique here. Get that really nice sort of spicy ginger snap on the nose, along with nice blackberries. Yeah, a little hint of licorice on there. Blueberry. Yeah, this is nice. So it's a real nice combination of fruit and spice. Let's try it. Yeah, this is rich and spicy on the palate. Mouth-filling. You know, those sort of ginger snap, brown spice notes really playing nicely off of the dense, dark blackberry, black plum fruit. Tannins are nice and round. I mean, obviously, there's a good structure to this, but they're pretty nicely polished, so that you don't really get a bite. I gather this will age pretty nicely for the next few years, but very tasty. I mean, if you like that sort of big spicy Shiraz notes, those big spicy Shiraz notes, if you marry up with spicy food, this is it. Happy drinking.